got By All Means Necessary. She got my face on a t-shirt. 1988, that's how we work. But I gotta tell you, that metaphysical lyric, I'ma tell you, you gotta understand, you are the spirit, not the flesh, my man. Oh man, dude saying, what are you saying? I'm about to show you why MCing is not playing. See, this is an ancient flow. An ancient flow. It shows you the way to go. Real low. See, now we gon' think. See, we gonna go back. You might vomit in the sink. But I'ma let you know this. In America, things are not bliss. They say that's the land of opportunity. But you can see we a split community. No one's together. Listen to this, no one's together. So this is an opportunity for hip-hop to form its unity. This is an opportunity for hip-hop to form its own unity. We are a global community. We gotta form our own unity. Breaking, MCing, graffiti writing, having fun. Fuck the government, that shit's done. You don't need these systems. People telling you go here, go there, and listen. The world is free, and that's why I said you gotta open up your mind and hear me. You got the most advanced technology in the palm of your hand, but look inside of me. It don't matter. It don't matter if you having fun. If you ignorant, you shouldn't have a gun. You see, it's not the tool. It's the person that's holding the tool. So if you have a phone that can teach you anything, why would you just sit there and blame? You gotta use technology to further yourself and your society. I'm gonna tell you this with no fear. I can talk like this into the air. Did you get that? Did you get that? I don't need technology. I'm a human being. I'm spitting the raw. This is how I'm doing when I'm live on tour. You gotta see. I'm giving you one more. Bristol, make some noise. Stop. And by the way, fuck the police. Look where I walk. Watch out! We run New York. Please, my home. We talk about the pump. I know this for a fact. You know that's how I act. You can't upset it crap. But you be doing that. Conversation, yo. I will never be yo. Be your own control, yo. Hot shot wanting that problem be a danger. First show a little respect. Change your behavior. Change your attitude. Change your plan. This could never really be justice or stolen. You're really for peace and equality. You know you wanna follow me, come on! Then you are jumping the ball! Look! Ah, this is shot to see! We be getting hype! Come on! Now answer the truth. Open up your eyes. You're checking out the boom bap, check the exercise. Take the word overseer, like a sample. Repeat it very quickly in a crew. Overseer, overseer, overseer. Officer. Yeah, officer from overseer. You need a little clarity? Overseer rode around the plantation. Officer is a patrolling on it. Overseer can stop you what you're doing. Officer will pull you over just when it's not doing. Overseer had the eyes like that is. If you want that. Walk with them like a right to arrest. This your favorite, they put a hole in your chest. They gon' try to watch that after 40 years. The police are all a little nobody. So when I wanna see, I walk around with a I hear it all day, just so they come under like a beat up on their way. So fuck these police.
Man, don't pick this up, come on.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the police.